Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be reviewing the NORVINA we're gonna be reviewing Miss Anastasia Beverly Hills NORVINA collection, and this is the volume 2. It comes in this box, and here it is, ABH NORVINA collection. This is the volume 2. So coming into this video, you guys, before starting with anything, in the box it says 25 deluxe size high performance shadows for professional grade artistry with maximum payoff. So this is a vegan formula. It lasts 18 months after opening. So let's give it a whirl. So I actually reviewed NORVINA Volume 1 already, so if y'all want to see that, I really appreciate if y'all go to my channel and check that out. But honestly, I was so hesitant. Yes, and I bought all these volumes. First of all, the price $60, girl. That's a lot. But I think when it comes to NORVINA collection plus Anastasia, we know what we are going to expect. But $60, girl. So these retails at $60 at Sephora.com, and I guess AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. I don't know if they have a website. I never checked it out. So here is how the palette looks like, and I'm gonna be honest, this is the palette I was most hesitant about, because the first one looks gorgeous, like stunning purples, pinks, black, like you can do smoky eye, have white shadow, extremely versatile. Then volume 3 looks like, you know, orangey green, like fruit fantasy. But these one look like, there's not a blue palette, it's not a green palette, it's not a pink. Like, it looks so confusing to me. Like, I didn't like the aesthetic of it, and I wasn't in love with the shimmers. But I said, okay, let me give it a try because I want some blue shades, honey. And I'm in love with it. Like, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm in love with this palette, the colors, and all the yada yada yada. So the palette comes in shades A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, E1, E2, E3, E4, and E5. Now that y'all saw the swatches of the palette, it's time for me trying out and give it a whirl. So let me show you how I got this look thanks to this bad boy, and keep on watching. We're gonna go in with shade B4 and we're gonna map out the eye. Once you have that on, I wanna put like a pink on it. I'm gonna go with the only pink that is not a shimmer in the shade D3, and I'm gonna put it at the ends. That pink though, layered with that blue, looks purple. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I was not expecting that, but I'm not mad at it. So we're gonna go darker. We're gonna go with the shade D5, and we're gonna darken that. So we're gonna go in with the shade E5, and we're gonna darken the inner and outer corners of our eyes. Now that that's done, I'm gonna cut my crease off camera and I'll be back. We're gonna go in with shade B5 and we're gonna put it all over our lids. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with the shade D1 to add some shimmer. Now I'm gonna put on eyeliner off camera, put on some foundation, and we're gonna continue with the bottom of our eyes. Okay, now that that's done and we are baking, we're gonna be doing the bottom lash. And honestly, I wanna go with pink. I don't know why, like, I feel like we didn't let the pink shine. It became like purple. So I wanna go with the pink shade. Should we go with yellow? No, we're gonna go with pink. So we're gonna go in, should we go with a shimmer shade though? I'm gonna go in with A1 and we're gonna put it at the bottom of our lash. So for the inner corner, you guys, I honestly didn't find a shade that I would like to put that is light enough for this blue eye. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna in with the Fenty Beauty palette and we're gonna go in with the shade, no, it'll be Chills. We're gonna go in with the shade Chills and we're gonna put it right in our inner corner. Now that Chills is chilling in our inner corner, we're gonna dust the baking powder. For highlight, we're gonna go in with the shade Scandal Eyes and we're gonna put it on our cheeks. I love it. So for the last step for the lips, you guys, we are going on with the same shade that is Scandal Eyes. We're gonna rub it with our fingers. We're gonna put it all over our lips. Once that's on your lips, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty lip gloss on the shade Cheeky, and I'm gonna put that all over my lips. Okay, everybody, this is the final look. What do y'all think? I freaking love it. Okay, so what are my thoughts on these palettes? At the beginning, I was very hesitant to buy it because compared to Volume 1 and Volume 3, which I have, Volume 1 looks amazing, stunning. Purples, pinks, blacks, golds, beautiful. Volume 3 is like more fun, like summer shades, orange, green, like gimme nature. This one didn't look like a blue palette or a green palette, and this orange shade looks just so random in there, so it's a yellow palette. So this palette is all over the place. I'm very thankful for the black one. I think there's not enough light shades, like a white, even though there's on Volume 1. I would like a white or a cream. Give me something for the outer corner, you know, give me a white shimmer. Come on, Norvina. But I loved it. Honestly, I'm surprised. The pink one became purple when mixed with the blue ones. You can't even see them, but I put it at the bottom with the A1. They're so pigmented. And when it comes to this palette, y'all know how I feel about this. I freaking love it. I didn't think I would be able to achieve this look with it. And I am in love. Like, ooh, I look cute. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I look motherfucking cute. Ooh, Fenty though. So when it comes to this palette, it's just like, of course, I will totally recommend it. NORVINA Volume 1, 2, and 3 are amazing. They're so pigmented. Even though I'm gonna be honest, I'm not in love with the shimmers in this palette. We've seen the pink one already. This one was very cute though. I'm very surprised. Like, was very cute. I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. But this palette is very good. The black one and these browns, they're a must, so you can do a smoky eye with it. So I would totally, you know, I will marry this palette. No, I will date this palette definitely. We're gonna have a lot of fun times. It's gonna be a partner for life. No, it's not gonna be a partner for life, honey. Not like volume 1, bitch. So I'm gonna be doing a video of 2 looks or 3 looks with this palette later on. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if y'all want more content, more tutorials. I really appreciate if y'all subscribe. I don't talk only about makeup on my channel. I talk about various topics: mental health, being Hispanic in general, discrimination in the Latin community and other communities. I'm a very diverse person, so if y'all want some beauty guru, honey, that is cute and talks about real shit, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.